Good morning. Here is a video on how to access your MathiaU resources. If you go to your ICS class and click on it, and then go to Content and Teacher Resources, MathiaU information, you can click on either the Teacher's Toolkit or the reporting. It doesn't matter. I usually go in through Teacher's Toolkit, and it takes a minute for everything to load. Once you get in, you click on the squares, and then you can click on Content Browser. When you get to Content Browser, you want to click on the Pima Community College Content Browser, and then here is all of our modules. They'll all be right here. So if you want to see what the problems are without doing the workspace, you click on the plus signs till you get to one that is in blue, and then you will see the problems. If there's only a few problems, like in this module, you know that the students are going to do every one of these, and this is not an adaptive workspace. If you go into another one, like this one here, writing money amounts in place value, you'll see that there is tons of them. This means this is an adaptive workspace, and it chooses whichever one the students see based on how they have done the work in the course. So if you want to look at it, you can click on decimals and place values with money. Right here gives you an idea of what the problem type is going to be if that's all you're looking for. And then you can launch the workspace. And once you do, it will take you to an example of the problem that the students will see. So when you go in here, you can, just like the students, begin with a step-by-step example. You can skip and go to the problem, and you'll see the problem just like the students will. They will have this step-by-step. This sample problem will actually do a problem like this for them. So you can look down here. It tells them what they need to look for. It'll give them samples of what they're doing there. And if they click in a box and click on hints, they'll get hints. The first hint is just restating the problem. The second hint gives them a lot more information, and the third hint actually tells them the answer. So there's no reason why they can't get the answer, because it'll tell them the answer. And there's also the solve it. The solve it will solve it for them, and so it'll automatically solve it for them, and then they have to do it over, do a new one, because when you click the I'm done, then it takes you to another problem. The other things that you can do from here, you can look at any one of these workspaces and see all of the work that are in a workspace. When you go here, you can look at your classes. And so when you click on a class, it will open this up and you can see your students from this point as well. I hope this helps. Talk to you later.